Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can shear an object or shape in Adobe Illustrator in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me insert, let's say, a rectangle for the sake of this tutorial here into that artboard. Let me also change or apply a fill color so that we may see the effect. Now, there are two ways how you can shear an object. Option number one, you use the shear tool here just below the modification or modify tool here. So if you click into shear below, you will be able to apply the shearing effect by clicking into your shaper object, by holding your left mouse, and by moving your mouse to the left, to the right, to the top, to the bottom, up and down, as you can see, to change its dimensions like this. And that's how you shear an object or shape through the modify tool here to the left. You may also right click into the given shape or object and then navigate to transform, and you will see it shear here. Click into it, which is going to redirect you to this panel. So here you may choose an axis like horizontal or vertical, adjust the shear angle here, or for the axis by moving that circle here. If you have the preview enabled, you will see the result here to the left. Click into OK, and that's another way how you shear objects and shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.